Hi everyone, I hope you have seen the previous video, okay, in which I have already discussed about the downloading of Dart SDK, and in this video we are going to run our first program. And in order to do that, first of all we have to install an IDE, okay, and we can also do it without an IDE, but the better way to do it is using IDE. IDE is nothing but it is an integrated development environment which provide to write some specific language, and it will also highlight that the syntax, as well as if you have written something wrong, then it will suggest to correct it. So IDE is the basically provides the whole environment to develop an application. So here are the two IDE: Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text. I have already installed a Visual Studio Code. So if you have not installed, then please do check description. Okay, you will find how to install the Visual Studio Code. After installing it, let's move to the our main code, basic code. Okay, so this is the basic code of Dart SDK. Okay, sorry. So this is the basic code of Dart programming. Okay, in which it prints hello Dart in the console. So let's explain these every code. So basically void means null. Okay, null means this is the return type of a function. We will discuss it in the function section later. And this is the main. Okay, and the curly brace, sorry, the small braces. Okay, so the small braces just this is the main, and after that the small braces, it indicates that this main is a function. And in every programming language, the execution process starts from the main function. Whatever you have written in the main block, it will print in the console. Okay, if you have written outside the main function, then it will not be executed. And here you can see this is the explanation of all this code. Void main is the entry point for every Dart application. The print function outputs text to the console. In this case, it will print hello Dart. Okay, and after that, after creating that file, you have the extension of that file should be .dart. Okay, because it is a Dart programming. After that, we have to run that particular file. Okay, open your terminal and locate the path where your file is located, and then after that you have to run that run and the particular file name. Okay, and then on the whatever you have written in that main function, it will be executed. So let's explore this one. Here you can see that I have already opened my VsCode, and in the code section we will uh, run the basic Dart code. Okay, so here I have to write that function void, then after that main. This is the small braces, so it defines that this main is a function, and after that we have to write a curly braces because this is a block. Okay, it is the block. I can also write something without using block, but we will explore it in the upcoming videos. And now I have to write a print. This is also a function. Okay, predefined function in that language, and it accepts a string. Okay, this function accepts strings, so I have to provide a string. hello dot, this is the string that I have provided to the print function. And now I have saved it. Now open the terminal. Okay, opening terminal. Now I have to locate the this file location. Okay, and my file location should be like copy this path. Okay, right click here, copy path. After that something like std and paste the path. See, here you can see. Now there is something mistake, like some mistake. I have to add like this. Now it is fine. Okay, now let's move to the file dot. Now I am in the uh, dot directory, and if you see, you can see that I have all these files in this dot file folder. Okay, and I have written this code in this particular file. Here you can see. Now I have to run this file. So for that I have to write dot run and the particular file name, which is 0 dot then data types types dot. Okay, so here you can see that this is the yellow dot has printed in the console. Okay, and in VsCode you can also get the terminal inside VsCode because it is an IDE. It provides everything for a particular language, and I am going to open the terminal. Here you can see that the terminal is here, a new terminal. Now I have to run dot then run 0 dot data dot. But first of all I have to make sure that I am in the same directory. Yes, so I have to move to the first of all I have to move to code directory, then cd code dot directory. Now I can create this one like dot run 0 dot data types dot. Now you can see that hello dot has been printed in the console. So this is the basic code. Okay, and in the next section we will explore more dive deep into the dot code basics. We will learn about the data types and variables, functions, control. These are the upcoming videos. Okay, upcoming. So that's all.